Turkey pot pie. Hand pies? Yes. Come cook with me. Roll out the dough. Mise en place. Let it cook. Give it a stir. This looks great. And cut out perfect little circles for your pies. Feel? Give a decent amount. You want it to be full and plump. Yes. Now, put them together and crimp the sides nice and tight. We don't want any leakage. Let's bake. Oh, golden brown, flaky and delicious like a corgi's buns. Yum. What do you think? I want all of it. Do you? If you're drooling for this, then please like and subscribe for more. Ciao.